steadily changing. He's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, what I'm doing. Yeah. Christ is in
It's my regular. I'm talking things for better. Oh, things for better. Oh, we've been down. Oh, it's my regular. I'm talking things for better. Oh, it's my regular. I'm talking things for better. Oh, things for better. Oh, we've been down. It's my regular. I'm talking things for better. Oh, things for better.
Good morning everybody and welcome to another vlog. It is a Friday, the 19th of July, and I'm starting a new vlog. My name is Charlotte, for those of you who do not know me. I am a wife, I am a mother, I am a teacher, I'm a sister, but I am your friend. You guys, welcome to another vlog, which is going to be 2 days, Friday and Saturday. I woke up and did my usual exercising. I exercised at home this morning instead of the gym. I have preference whether at home or at the gym. For me it's the same. I give it as much work as I do at the gym or at home. So yeah, I'm done with that. While I was exercising, I actually put some chicken feet in the pot, which I'm gonna have for brunch. Yeah, for brunch. I want some protein. I'm gonna have some egg as well. Yeah, we'll see. I love chicken feet. I love chicken feet. I did my face care, my morning routine face care, skin care, and yeah, you guys saw that already. That's what I do to keep my skin glowing, if I can say glowing. I'm using new products now that it's winter, and luckily for me, I got blessed by winning the Ren skin range catered for my skin type. I've got combination skin to oily skin as well, so it's more oily because it is winter time. Skin tends to be very dry when it's winter, so that's what I'm using in the morning, and I think you've seen on my previous vlog what I use in the evening. But I'll insert a picture right here to show you the whole range that I have in case you missed it around here. I'm about to do my Bible study, and then after doing that, I'm going to make something to eat. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys will click that subscribe button and support this sister. I hope you can also join me on my other social media platforms. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I am Charlottealive on Instagram, and I am Charlotte Ngonelo on Facebook. So I hope you guys can check that out as well and support me on my posts. So you guys, I'm gonna carry on and do my Bible study and see you a little later when we are making brunch. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of this vlog, you guys. Okay, hi you guys. So I am in the kitchen now. The time is 20 to 3 and I've already started cooking my food, but I wanted to share a little twist of making coleslaw. I saw this on Karabo Didi's post on Instagram, so shout out to her for sharing this. I have the ingredients she used, but not exactly. You will need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of double cream yogurt. She used a different mustard. I'm just going to be using your mild mustard from Woolworths, and she said it's a teaspoon, and I think that's all I have in here. And you will need a freshly squeezed lemon. This is the lemon I have. I don't have the fresh ones. And you're going to need salt and also some pepper. Okay, so I already have my cabbage and carrots grated and placed in a dish. So we're going to start off by putting the ingredients that I already told you the measurements. So let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. This Saturday morning, bright and early. It is 8:10 in the morning, and I am on my way with my son Sakumzi. You can't see right now. We are on our way to my parents' house. That's where I do my Saturday private lessons now. And he's got homework where he has to actually interview his grandparents. So that's why I am going with him. I hope you guys are wonderful this morning. It's going to be a short vlog, you guys. Hey, my boy, you didn't wipe the car nicely at the back. The window, it just looks messed up. Sure, can you see that? And you left the thing at home. So next time you get home, just wipe it. It just looks messy. You guys, I will see you when I get home, when I'm teaching. And if anything interesting is happening, I will definitely capture it. But I think I'm going to be uploading this vlog as short as it is. I just didn't want to neglect going to be ending my vlog right here. My lesson is done and my student is gone. I want to get home and make some pancakes, but I think I've cooked twice with you guys. I've done something with food twice with you guys, so I won't be doing this with you. So I'm going to close off the vlog here. Thank you for joining me. Sorry that it's short, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I will see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.